Hello, everyone. In each lesson, you will listen to a simple story. Please listen carefully, enjoy the practice, and try to remember useful words and sentences. Let's begin now. Hello, my name is Tom. Today, I want to tell you about my hometown. My hometown is very special to me. It is the place where I was born. It is the place where I grew up. It is the place where my family lives. It is the place where I have many memories. My hometown is not a big city. It is a small town. It is quiet. It is peaceful. Many people know each other. People are friendly. People are kind. People smile when they see you. There are many houses in my hometown. Most houses are small. Some houses are old. Some houses are new. Many houses have gardens. In the gardens, people grow flowers. People grow vegetables. People grow fruit trees. There is a river near my hometown. The river is long. The river is clean. Children like to play near the river. Fishermen catch fish in the river. Sometimes people swim in the river. Sometimes people have picnics near the river. There are also fields. There are green fields. There are rice fields. There are corn fields. There are vegetable fields. In spring, the fields are very green. In summer, the fields are full of crops. In autumn, people harvest. In winter, the fields rest. There are many trees in my hometown. The trees give us shade. The trees give us fresh air. Birds live in the trees. Birds sing in the morning. I like to listen to the birds. My hometown also has small shops. There is a bakery. There is a bookstore. There is a small market. People buy food in the market. People buy clothes in the market. The market is busy in the morning. The market is busy in the evening. There is a school in my hometown. It is not big, but it is nice. Children study there. Teachers are kind. I studied there when I was a child. I have many memories of that school. There is also a small hospital. Doctors work there. Nurses work there. They help sick people. They take care of old people. In my hometown, people know each other. Neighbors talk to each other. Neighbors help each other. When someone needs help, people come. When someone is sad, people visit. When someone is happy, people celebrate together. I like the food in my hometown. It is simple. It is tasty. People cook rice. People cook noodles. People cook soup. People cook vegetables. People eat fresh fruit. Sometimes people eat fish from the river. I also like the festivals in my hometown. There are festivals in spring. There are festivals in summer. People wear traditional clothes. People sing. People dance. People eat special food. People play games. Children laugh. Everyone is happy. My favorite place in my hometown is the park. The park is small, but it is beautiful. There are flowers. There are benches. There is a playground. Children play there. Old people walk there. I like to sit there. I like to read there. I like to relax there. Another favorite place is the river. I go to the river in the morning. I see the sunrise. It is beautiful. The water is calm. The air is fresh. It makes me feel peaceful. I also like the hills near my hometown. They are not very high, but they are green. I sometimes walk there. I sometimes climb there. I sometimes sit and look at the town. It is a nice view. My hometown is not perfect. Sometimes the roads are small. Sometimes the buses are late. Sometimes there are not many jobs. But I still love it because it is home. I have many friends in my hometown. We went to school together. We played together. We laughed together. Even now, we still meet. We talk. We drink tea. We remember the old days. My family also lives there. My parents live there. My brother lives there. My grandparents live there. So when I go home, I feel warm. I feel happy. I feel safe. Sometimes I go to the city. The city is big. The city is noisy. The city is busy. There are many cars. There are many people. The city is exciting. But I always miss my hometown. I miss the quiet. I miss the fresh air. I miss the people. I miss my home. One of my best memories is summer in my hometown. In summer, the fields are green. The river is cool. The sky is blue. Children play outside. We run. We swim. We eat ice cream. We are happy. Another memory is winter in my hometown. In winter, it is cold. We wear warm clothes. We drink hot tea. We sit near the fire. We talk. We laugh. It is a warm feeling in the cold. I think my hometown is a good place to live. It is safe. It is quiet. It is beautiful. People are kind. Life is simple. Life is slow. It is a good place for children. It is a good place for families. I am proud of my hometown. I am proud of the people. I am proud of the food. I am proud of the traditions. I am proud of the memories. That is my story. That is my hometown. I am Tom, and I love my hometown very much. Thank you for listening. We hope you enjoyed the story and learned some useful words and sentences. See you in the next lesson.